It's 1997. I was still at high school. Dougie Lampkin was the World Trials Champion for the first time. And Jordi Tarres retired. The GAS Trials bikes, the range of the JT, the JTR and the JTX stands for Jordi Tarres Racing. The JTX meant Jordi Tarres no more. GAS built their last ever JT range bike, which is the one that we've got here today. Before I lift the flag and reveal the finished article, we're going to actually just have a look through the last few pieces that I've done. It's a really quick video. It's literally just doing the plastics and the sticker kit. So stick around, make sure you watch right through the video, because there's some good stuff in here about the stickers that you'll definitely want to hang around and find out about. Without further ado, let's have a look. Headlight I bought originally when I first got the bike is this one. You probably saw me, I put it on the bike when I was displaying it when I first got it. That's actually off a 95 GAS Contact. So obviously it's the same headlight, but it's got the 95 model sticker on it. So we're going to put the 97 JTX sticker on that. That's in good nick, so that can go straight on the bike once it's got a sticker on it. Mudguard, if you remember the mudguard, it was all snapped and broken, and it was yeah, it wasn't in very good condition at all. So did a bit of hunting, couldn't really find a decent mudguard, and then one of our brilliant subscribers, he's actually gave me a brand spanking front mudguard, so thank you very much for that. Let that soak in. Oh, that's saved a bit of time. There we go. Let's give that a clean up, and we'll put that on the bike, and then we'll fit the new mudguard while it's on the bike so we can get it central. Job's a good one. Front mudguard all fitted, wasn't too bad. I prefer to do it that way, get the mudguard stay on the bike and then drill the holes with the mudguard in place so you know you get it straight on the bike. Apologies for the lighting in here, like I say, it's not ideal, but there's not a lot I can do. So that's the front mudguard done and dusted, brand new. We've got a brand new brake disc cover as well fitted. Managed to get that brand new from Australia, believe it or not. Right guys, here's the important bit. So one of my subscribers, very nice chap, has sent me this. Look at that. It's a complete sticker kit for my bike, GAS JTX 270. He had the original sticker kits off the GAS's, which he bought many moons ago anyway. He's decided to go into a bit of a production with him, and he's started to make the stickers. So this is not an original, although if you look at it, it is bang on. They're nice and thick, they're very glossy. You're not going to be able to find this kind of stuff anymore, so it's people like this that are really helping, because you just can't get these kind of things anymore. GAS don't sell them, they're not available, no one's got them. So his name is Owen Gilchrist, I hope I've said that right. Thank you very much, matey, for that. That is brilliant. That's going to look really good when all the plastics are done and on the bike. He's going to be doing the JTX and the JTR and the Fortuner, I think, as well. So the 94, 95, 96, 97 sticker kits, they are available from him to purchase. I'm going to put his details in the comments below, and if I'm really fancy I might even get it up on the screen as I'm speaking to you now. You can contact him via Facebook and Instagram. If any of you wants the sticker kit, or you're struggling to get hold of him, if you send me an email with your details, and I will pass on your information to him, and then he can contact you direct, and you can get yourselves one of these absolutely brilliant gas sticker kits for your trials bike. Let's get the correct sticker on this, and then let's get it on the bike. Oh yeah, nice and glossy, nice and thick. That actually went on really easy as well. They go on easy, they're not difficult to fit. Just make sure there's no air bubbles in it, and that has gone straight over the original proper gas sticker, and it's the identical size. So that's a really good sticker kit, really good. I'm really impressed with the quality of that and how he's managed to get it all exactly the same. Thank you very much, Owen, you've helped out massively there. I'll show you these as well before we go on. So you also get the Michelin stickers for down the fork legs. What else for the JTX kit? Look at that. Is the original Fortuner one. I don't know if you can see that on camera because it's shiny, but it's the original Fortuner for the Jordi Tyrrez 94 GAS JT. Starting to look like a gas now. Scratches and stuff down the sides, scratches there, a few bits and bobs here, and the clear lacquer that went over the stickers is peeling. So I am going to wet and dry that to get all the layer of lacquer off, get the scratches out best I can, and then we will apply the sticker kit, and then we will lacquer over it with a bit of luck, and it'll look pretty good. Well, there's only one thing left to do. Cheers for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on another video very soon. But for now, this is done. I can go and put my feet up because there's nothing else to do.